In last class, we have discussed about conditional statement that is nested. Today, we are going to discuss some similar type of topic. Example, you have many conditions. You cannot write else if, else if again and again. So, we have a better approach here. So, let me just declare a variable. Variable will be age. So, my age is 20, so I am just writing 20. Okay. So, now I could use if else statement, but we have a better approach, that is when condition. Okay, so in when condition we need to pass the variable that is our age. We open brackets. Now assume that we want to do task for multiple conditions, like for 20 do this, for 21 do this, for 22 do this. Okay, so for 20 I will write a condition over here. Okay, if the age is 20, I want to just print hey, it's 20. Now for 21 I want to print it's 21. It's 21. Okay, and finally for 22 I want to print it's 22. Okay, I know you are not understanding right now. Just wait a moment. I will explain you. So, okay. Now, what's happening? I have declared a variable val of age 20. Okay. So, when the age is 20, in this when, I pass the age, that is this. In the age, we have 20. Now, this 20 will come under this, you can see over here in this bracket, and check where 20 exists. Okay, now here we have 20. Now it will check where is 20. This is 20. No. Is this 20? No. Is this 20? Yes. So this code will be executed. This bracket will be executed after 20. After this arrow, you can see this will be executed. Now let us just run the code. Hey, it's 20. Now for example, I have changed the age to 21. What will be the output? Hey, it's 21. Hey, it's 21. This is the output. So this is when we use our when condition. Okay, so very good. Now what about else statement? We used to use a final condition else if 20, 21, 22. Apart from this, any number exists, what should it do? So here we do the same. We use a else condition. We use else condition, and this is very simple. We just use this arrow. You use this arrow and open the brackets and just write and just write print statement, that is I don't know. Okay, now let me just revise the code. We have a variable age, that is 21. When in this when we have passed this age, you can see this is the basic syntax. You need to write this compulsory. When is a keyword, so it is compulsory. Okay, so we just pass age in this bracket and open a flower bracket in which we declare the conditions. Okay, so when age is 20, do this. When age is 20, do this. When age is 21, do this. When age is 22, do this. If none of this exists, do this. So if the age is 210, you can see it prints I don't know. Okay, so very simple example. This is how we perform uh, nesting without using if and else. Okay, so in last class we have already discussed about if and else nested conditions. So in this video we have already discussed about when condition uses and use cases. So it is very simple to write like this instead of using else if block. Okay, so this just makes the code very short. So now I will take another example. Okay, so very simple example. This is example number 2. It is just same concept. You will understand this better while coding. Let us just write a code. Let us just take planet. Let the planet be Earth. Okay. Now we will use a when condition. So when is declared like this. So this is the basic syntax. Now we need to pass planet. We need to pass planet. Okay. Now basically, now if the planet is Earth, I think I have written the wrong spelling. Okay. Now let me just correct this. Okay. Huh. So if the planet is Earth, I want to print hello Earth. Hello Earth. Okay. But if the planet is Mars, I would like to print hello Mars. Okay. But there are many planets apart from Mars and Earth. So I can't write all conditions just for instance. Just assume. So I will write an else condition. So the else condition will be hello stranger. So this is all about when condition. Now let me just execute this. Okay, so you can see our variable was Earth. Now I have passed this planet. Now it will check. I mean inside this. So inside this planet we have Earth. Now when condition will check. So the Earth matches here. Earth will be printed